Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. Again, volume remains very strong, and overall, the price had pulled back. So as I talked about in past videos, yeah, I mean, depending on strategy, that pullback's not necessarily the most favorable thing to go through. But I mean, assuming you cared about the bigger picture point of view, and again, this all means a little bit more sense if you have the reference point of the video I did from November 17th. But even if you don't watch that video, that's fine. The point here being that, yeah, this pullback here, never fun, but now the price is already starting to work its way back upwards. There's still work that needs to be done, but the point here being that from the support side of things, nothing has been violated. The purple line there, the 50-period moving average, I've talked about that time and time again, has not been violated. Technically speaking, it hasn't even been tested. And then you look down here at this secondary support level at 0.0125, and once again, that level hasn't even been tested. So from that angle in and of itself, good signs of strength. Now, none of those things mean it's guaranteed to continue upwards. No such thing as a guarantee. But my core point here is that everything from a trend building perspective is still perfectly fine. Now, again, it all does have to do with perspective. If you're some sort of flipper and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, you're probably still not liking the chart at all because, well, you're still underwater. But as far as those people that care about the general scope of things, the price still is putting in those higher bases, and that is what matters most. In fact, why don't I do this just to offer up all the context? So you can see right here, the very trend is still extremely in the upwards direction. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, in the very near term, there seems to be some sellers and kind of annoyance right here at 0.027, and then if 0.027 can be broken, next key level just simply up there right around the 0.037-ish mark, which is where the price got rejected from last time. But before we talk about breaking through these highs over here, the price first needs to get up through that level right there. But all in all, the trend remains healthy, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.